morning, everyone. Welcome back to Connect Infosystem LLP YouTube channel. We are going to discuss about how to generate a multiple copies of report in a single click. For that, we are going to setting and activate developer mode. Again, in technical action report. For example, cell. If we want to create multiple reports in a single line, we need to add one field here. So now we are going to backend side and now we have to add number of copies field, integer field, and also added in a view. In for that, inherit the act report XML view and added a field as a number of copies after perform paper format, and we have to add a few in our data. Now we can see a field in here. We have to see a field after refreshing. This is the number of copies. We have to add a number of copies 5. Before that, we we need to inherit one function. It's called render qweb html, and for getting a value of render qweb html functions, call super, and we are getting a template and template type here as a result. If we want to get the report, we have to use a get report method, and using get report method we have getting a report id. For in report id we have a number of copies field. So if we are adding a number of copies, then number of copies with multiply with result as a template. So so now we have to multiple templates here, and after that we have return the result and type and run again. Here we are added a number of copies 5. So now we have to create a one cell order report like this and print quotation order report. We can see here 5 number of copies a report displayed here. These functions work as a single report copies. We are not added any invoice to number of copies, so it's work normally. If we want to add a number of copies in invoice, Again, we are going to actions. Sorry. We are going to actions in a report. Here and invoice. Now add a number of copies like 3. Now we can see the number of copies invoice. One, 2, and 3. Thank you.